bird V configurations. You might have noticed that you see like a reasonably large group of birds that are creating a V configuration as they fly. They could be migrating. Often when you see large groups of them doing this is a migration thing. And this configuration basically minimizes the total energy, the total energy of that the birds are expending. Because what happens is that the lead bird is doing quite a lot of work and creating a wake that the birds which are following left and right of it can take advantage of, and so they're exerting less energy, and basically you have a leader, you have two birds that are following left and right of it, and then that extends outwards into an entire V configuration. And this is just how the migratory birds, minimize the total energy of the migration effort. And so evolution and nature, it's actually all mathematical because we live in a simulation, and so that's why I am becoming the Deus Ex Machina and starting the simulationism religion, which is I'd say you have to be a reasonably intelligent person to grasp it fully, which is unfortunate. But this is the truth.